Hey guys, it's Tina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing something that's a little bit different. My most frequent and most viewed videos on my channel are the videos about hooded or droopy downturned eyes, and I've done a lot of videos on how to make them work, how to change their shape, how to make them look bigger, more uplifted, how to create a crease when you don't have one, but I never did a video about how to embrace hooded eyes, how to make them work, how to rock them, how to make them work and look beautiful without trying to change their shape. Because droopy, downturned eyes are beautiful. They're called also bed eyes. It's what Marilyn Monroe had, and it's just beautiful. And hooded eyes are also beautiful on their own way. They're special, and hooded, downturned, droopy eyes, they're all very sophisticated, sexy. They have something mysterious about them. So there are also a lot of gorgeous women with those types of eye shapes, and it's just gorgeous and just beautiful, and all of them usually just rock them and make them look beautiful as they are. And most of the times we don't even notice that those women have hooded, droopy, downturned eyes, because women or men, because they just make it work. They just work with what they have without trying to change the shape, and because it is so beautiful we don't even notice it. So today I'm going to show you how to work with it and without changing the shape of it, just draw on top of the hood, and you'll see in a second what I mean. And yeah, just make it work because it is beautiful. So embrace it, rock it, and it's beautiful and gorgeous, and you're beautiful just the way you are. It's special, and a lot of people really love them. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have droopy, downturned, or hooded eyes, if you like them or not, if you ever tried changing their shape, or if you work with what you have and accentuate it because you love it. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So for today's look, we're not going to try and change the shape or anything. We're just working with what we have. So I'm going to start by priming my lid with this Matchbox 24-hour Photo Finish Eye Primer to prevent the eyeshadows from creasing, and I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid up until the brow bone. I'm going to go over my crease area a little bit above the eyelid and up until the brow bone with Kid by MAC and a Sigma 835 brush, just a little bit to make the eyeshadows blend better in this area. So this is going to be my transition shade. Now I'm going to start applying some color. I'm taking the Morocco Pro palette and the color Sable, which is a dark chocolate brown, and with a E55 flat brush, I'm just going to pack it all over my entire lid. Now, if you have very prominent hooded eyes, then it's not going to show once you open your eyes, so you won't be able to see what you did whatsoever, but that's okay. We just have this for kind of a smoky base for when we blink. Then I'm going to take a small kind of fluffy brush that's still pointed. This is E45 by Sigma, and I'm going to take the same color and start building it into my crease, going in windshield wiper motions and then going upwards and outwards as I go. Now the trick is to open your eye every couple of seconds and see where you have the color, because when you open your eye, it's not going to look the same as when you close it. So open your eye, look straight forward, and eye where you want the color to be. So I want it a little bit higher, so I'm going to open my eye and then take the color higher, and then I'm going to do this and see where I have it. Now I can already work with the color with my eye open. So from this point on, you can just draw the color where you want it to be with your eye open. So I'm just going to go over the hood and on the outer corner right here, and then take a fluffy E35 brush and just blend all the outer edges to prevent any harsh edges, and just blend, 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 and smoke it out. So basically just creating a very soft, smoky eye. And now when the eye is open, you still can see the color on the very outer edge right here. Now I'm going to take the same color on a flat E20 brush by Sigma and apply it under my lower lash line. I'm going to take it pretty close to my lower lash line, all the way in and then outwards, and connect it on this outer edge with the color that I have on my lid, like this. Then I'm going to take the E45 again and just blend this color downwards and really smoke it out and connect it on this outer edge and just kind of blend the color outwards right here, like that. Now to highlight, I'm going to take the E55 flat brush again and white from the same palette, and I'm going to be applying that under my eyebrow. This creates the illusion that we have a little bit more space. So we're really working with all the space we have, which is the eyelid, the crease area, or the hood, and then the brow bone. So this will just separate the brow bone from all of the other colors. Now if you want to highlight the inner corner itself, you can just take your finger, and I'm going to take light browns, and I'm going to just dab this color on the very inner corner of the eye and blend it a little bit into the brown shadow and also around the tear duct, just to kind of brighten and highlight this inner area, create a little bit more dimension. Just highlight it a little bit. Now because I can't really apply eyeliner, especially if you have very hooded eye, you won't be able to see the eyeliner. So what I'm going to be doing is taking a angled E65 brush and a black eyeshadow and stamp it right here on this outer corner, creating just a little wing and just connecting it as a triangle. So I'm just drawing only the wing itself without any like eyeliner shape on the lash line or anything, just the wing, like that. Now to soften it a little bit, I'm just going to take the E45 again and just blend it outwards a little bit. This will soften it, and this is going to be my eyeliner work for this. Now I'm just going to tight line and apply some black liner on the waterline as well to just complete this whole smoky look. I'm using the Sigma longwear eyeliner pencil in Wicked. I'm going to apply that to my waterline and tight line. And now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, applying that to my top and bottom lashes. Now if you want, you can go ahead and darken the outer corner of the eye with a darker brown, like the Espresso eyeshadow from the Lorac palette, just because this area of the eye is visible even when you have a hooded eye. You can see this outer edge, so you can work with that and just color it in. And also you can totally go ahead and apply some falsies if you want to. I'm just gonna leave it as is, and there you go. This eye looks a little bit darker because of the lighting. I have a little bit more light from this side, but yeah, you got the main idea. So that is it. Work with what you have, embrace hooded, droopy, downturned eyes. They're all beautiful. All of the shapes are beautiful and special and unique in their own way. And if you have a certain eye shape, it's because you need to have it, it's because you're meant to have it, and it's because you're the most beautiful with this particular eye shape. So rock it, go ahead and work with it. Of course, if you do want to change it every once in a while, then I do have a lot of videos on how to do that. But I think that this looks beautiful just the way it is. Let me know in the comments below if this video was helpful for you guys, and give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Click the little bell button to get notified every time I upload a video, which is twice a week, Tuesdays and Saturdays, and I'm going to talk to you all on Saturday. Bye.